Hello friends, this is Shweta here again with a new video today. In this video, we are going to show you how to attach sari fall to the sari. Okay, for this we have already soaked the sari fall in the water and dried it and ironed it. So before starting, what you have to do is you have to leave about a quarter meter of the sari, and from there you have to start it. Okay, we'll show you right from stitching in the machine and as well as the hemming part. So it is compulsory to stitch it in the bottom part. So somewhere in between you just fold about quarter inch and give a pleat and then stitch it so that the finishing will be good, so that you won't get any wrinkles. For beginners, you can make one stitch even on the top, but it has to be a loose stitch. You can keep the stitch length on a bigger side so that the cloth will not move. It is easy for you to make the hemming. Usually somebody is experienced, they won't stitch there. For them it is really not required. They'll use some other method, like by using safety pins and needles. But for beginners this is an easy method. So now we'll make the hemming using the sieving needle. For this we have taken double strand of thread. Okay. Actually there's a school here, so a lot of noise will come from school building. So you need to be careful while pulling the thread, because sometimes it will tangle up and mix and knot, so it will be difficult again to continue. Or if you are a beginner, you can take shorter thread and you can do it. The only thing is you might have to take some multiple times of thread. So we are just going towards the end of it. So it's very simple to make, but you need to be little careful while doing it. That's it. So in the end, just make one knot to secure the work. Make one or two, it should be fine, no problem. So hope this video was useful to you guys and you enjoyed it. If you still have any more queries regarding this, you can always comment me below. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And once you see from the front, I'll just show you how it looks like. So it's a very thin line, you can't even make out. And the one stitch what we have made, the loose stitch with the sieving machine, that you just have to remove it in the end. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.